Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom? In this video, we'll introduce you to the world of budgeting and show you how to take control of your finances. We'll cover the importance of budgeting, how to track your expenses, and tips for creating a budget that works for you. Let's start this journey together. So, what is budgeting? Simply put, budgeting is the process of allocating your income towards different expenses, savings, and debt repayment. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious financial decisions. Think of it as giving every pound a job to do. When your salary lands in your account, you become the manager. You assign some money to rent, some to utilities, some to groceries, and importantly, some to savings and fun. Without this plan, your money wanders off in all directions. With a budget, you are the boss, ensuring every pound works for you. Please erase any negative ideas about budgeting. A budget is not your enemy. It's your most powerful ally. It's a tool for empowerment, clarity, and control. It's the difference between drifting aimlessly and steering confidently toward your chosen destination. The single most important benefit of budgeting is gaining control. When you don't know where your money goes, you're a passenger in your financial life. Budgeting puts you firmly in the driver's seat. It gives you a clear, honest picture of your financial situation. Another huge benefit is the incredible reduction in stress and anxiety. Financial worries are one of the biggest causes of stress for families. A budget acts as your financial safety net. The peace of mind from knowing you have a plan is truly priceless. Furthermore, budgeting is the essential first step to building wealth. It's nearly impossible to systematically build savings without a budget. A budget helps you identify where you can cut back and redirect cash toward savings goals. Small, consistent actions compound into significant wealth. The first step is figuring out exactly how much money you have coming in each month. Look at your payslip and find the net pay figure. Don't forget all income sources: your main job, side hustles, benefits like universal credit or child benefit, and any family support. Add it all up to get your total monthly income. This is your starting point, the total resource available for all expenses and goals. Next, track every single penny you spend for 1 month. Use whatever method works for you: notepad, phone app, or bank statements. Group expenses into categories like housing, utilities, groceries, transport, and entertainment. This makes analysis much easier. At month's end, add up each category. This is your moment of truth. You'll likely be surprised by what you discover. Now bring income and expenses together. The goal is simple. Income minus expenses should equal 0 or a positive number for savings. List your needs first: rent, council tax, utilities, groceries, transport. These non-negotiable expenses must be covered no matter what. Then add your wants: entertainment, subscriptions, takeaways. This is where you have flexibility to make cuts if needed. Creating a budget is one thing, but sticking to it is the real challenge. Set aside 15-20 minutes each week to review your progress. See how your spending tracks against your plan. Did you overspend in one area? Make adjustments for next month. Use systems that make spending visible. The cash envelope system works because when the money's gone, it's gone. If you prefer digital, use banking apps with spending pots or spaces to replicate the envelope system electronically. Plan for irregular expenses like car MOTs, insurance renewals, and Christmas presents. These can wreck a budget if you're unprepared. Create sinking funds, calculate annual costs, divide by 12, and save that amount monthly. When bills arrive, money's waiting. Be kind to yourself and don't aim for perfection. You will have months where you overspend. That's perfectly normal. Don't throw out the whole budget after a bad week. Learn from it and get back on track. The goal is sustainable, long-term change. That's it. You've made it to the end of our budgeting guide. We hope you found this introduction helpful and empowering. Remember, you have the power to change your financial future. That journey starts today with creating a plan for your money. You don't need to be a financial expert. You just need the desire to take control and willingness to take that first step. A budget isn't a restriction, it's your declaration of independence. Take this knowledge, build your plan, and claim control of your financial future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. Your future self will thank you for starting today. The control is in your hands. Go and claim it.